The main idea of starting this immune improvement program is to give simple solutions for cold, cough and all the other. So we have been practicing this technique on children for quite some time. When parents come to me, they want the children to be treated. So we just tell the mothers, you just touch certain points. If they have cold cough, most of the problems are cold cough problems only. So if they come to the doctor mainly when they get cold cough, why cold cough comes, if you just look into that, their digestion is affected for quite some time. Children, when you give food, you have to be very careful. When you give some food which is not digestible, so their large intestine will get affected. The large intestine is what mainly to throw what is not required in the body. If it is not thrown out, if the constipation is there, or if 1 or 2 days they have not gone for motion, what happens to the, whatever is there staying in the large intestine will get absorbed. When it is absorbed in the blood, so it has to throw out, first it is throwing out through your skin as allergic reaction. You will get some allergy. If you go to the doctor and take antibiotics, it is suppressed, and then it will come to the lungs. From the lungs, it will be throwing through the nose, like running nose, cold cough, like that, it will come. Again we go to the doctor, we take some medicine and this cough syrup and suppress that. So it keeps on staying in the body. When you start acting all these points, the immune system is mainly connected with spleen. Spleen is the organ which is responsible for absorbing the finest energy. The spleen is the one which absorbs the finest energy, sends it to the brain also, brain as well as the heart and lungs to make blood, and also to give the sensation for the brain, so that their concentration will be much better. So that is why we give the spleen 6 point for improving long-term concentration for the children. I am going to tell those points to them. So to improve your children immunity, daily what we say, just take catch hold of their palms. Their palms, the mother has to give a good massage to activating all these points. These are reflex points. You know very well the reflex points, but this is the head region. This is the brain region. The brain is representing in the tip of your thumb here. This is the brain region. This is the brain region. This is the brain reflex. This is the brain reflex. So if you want to improve your child's, you need just take 4 fingers from here, and you get a point here. Okay, this is called spleen 6. Take it on. Now I am giving your concentration, long-time concentration is improving 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all you do. Mothers can do this experiment, and when they briefly their concentration improves, because their digestion will improve. The stomach will start absorbing all these things. This is the highest level I am giving.
Sir, this 4 fingers, child's 4 fingers.
Child's 4 fingers. No, child's 4 fingers. Okay, approximately you have to measure their that's called.
That number 7 is equal to that, or it can be 8 or 10 something?
No, it is minimum. More than that is not required, because we are sending, no harm. You are sending a message. The message has come. It's like a SMS. You get one SMS, it's enough. You touch, that's what somebody told in the morning, I think Bud told. They just touch. And 2 points, they touch for a few seconds, that's all. But message has already gone. Okay? Long-time concentration. Many people, how I came to know this, it is improving concentration. And I thought whenever people come, with the child, we tell them, you do this for your child. Then after the exams, some parents came with sweets. I told, what were you giving? He said, no, sir, he has scored very good marks in the exams. You told me, no, you to press this after that. Then I thought, why we should not tell all people? People who do. People are very good. Their concentration is good, everything is fine. But if the concentration is not good, if they are not scoring points, you try this. Stomach and spleen are connected with the. So if they are not eating well, they will not study well also. Just see that experiment. Okay? Concentration is okay? Laziness. Why laziness? Laziness comes mainly because your liver is not functioning. The liver is functioning nicely. The moment you eat, what happens? The maximum energy will be absorbed by the spleen. The spleen sends the energy to the stomach, and then the stomach will work. And finally, the products, the chemicals what is required has to be produced by your liver. Liver sends the glucogen and all those things for the system when you need more energy, and automatically your energy burning takes place. And we are all not tired today, right from the morning we are here, because we are involved in that. And our energy production is always there. But the liver is not working perfectly, what happens? The chemicals will not be produced. When you eat, after that, you don't feel like work. Your energy is not produced. What you have to do, just press the liver reflexes. Liver reflexes. Okay? Liver reflexes is here. This you can read, take the book and read. Or give a good massage daily. There is a workout called the heart, lungs, adrenal. Heart, adrenal, lungs, brain and liver. These are the 5 organs. You identify in your palm with the help of the book. Just press for 7 times. Within 5 minutes they will become energetic. So some of you is not energetic. You just try that point. Brain, lungs, liver, heart, adrenal. Or HAL, BEL we say. HAL is our heart, adrenal, liver. B is brain, E for energy, L for lungs. BEL, HAL. If you know, you will get energy. Okay? You have to activate those points. They will be energetic. Even adults also can do all these things. Will be energetic. Then what else?
Traveling, that control of the bladder for kids. The same point as you said.
Bladder 65.
The same point.
Yeah, simple. So whenever you want to control that into a particular distance, simple point. Brain, energy, lungs, heart, adrenal, and liver. The liver, glycogen is required for energy. So these are the organs connected with energy production. Okay. What else? Any other questions?
For sleeping.
For good sleep. So basically the children, you give a good massage daily before they go to bed. Light massage. Just give a light massage. It will soothe this thing. Especially the heart 7 point here. Heart 7 point, you just touch this point, H7 for a few seconds. Heart 7. Just touch this point for 10 seconds and release. This is what you call anti-anxiety point. Anti-anxiety point. Children, you don't think children will not have anxiety. Everybody has got that. So just touch this point 10 seconds. Those people who may have insomnia, within minutes they will sleep. And also give a good massage at the back of the neck muscles, especially at the back of the neck. When you give a good massage here, bottom top is what you call the medulla massage. The vagus nerve goes through this one only. So when you activate this, the vagus nerve will get activated. You will get very good results. Okay. Sleeping. Normally sleep, disturbed mainly because of the thought process. So you keep on thinking. Nothing we are going to achieve by thinking. We understood, but still, the thought comes. This will happen, that will happen, so many things will happen. Whatever happens, you take it in the stride. Go for that, you face the situation. People are not ready to face the situation. Whatever happens, something will happen. You are all right today, tomorrow something will happen. You have to go to the right person and get the solution. There's no point in simply sitting and thinking about it. So worry is the main thing which affects the stomach. Worry, see all these emotions, they play an important role. To facing the exam is a worry for them. It's not simple. Don't think children will not be worried. They are also worried. Do all those things. Hyper activity. Eye power. That's very, very important question what you have asked. Liver controls the eye. The liver is functioning properly. They will not have liver 3 points. Not only for appetite, for eyesight. Children below 10 years, if you activate liver 3 point, they will not wear glasses. I can give you writing. But experiment. Okay? All of you, I am telling to everyone. See, the liver is the main thing connected with the eyes. If the mothers can activate below 10 years from 1 year, they activate the liver point. Liver is functioning properly, eye will function nicely. For all of us, it will happen because liver has not functioned. That's why it has become the short sight, long sight and all those sight problems.
The point you are telling, if it is congenital or like that, is there any segregation for that? Because currently there is a gap between teeth and all. Even now it is not getting filled up. Right from the birth it is.
Yeah.
So for that, is there any
See, right now, how old is the kid?
7 years?
You can try K3.
K3.
K3. Yeah, what I'm telling, the teeth formation will be better because 7 years, the milk tooth will fall and permanent tooth will start. It will start growing up to 14 years. Understood? So, below 7 years, K3, the teeth will become normal. So all these things should be known to the mother because they don't believe this. That's why they don't do all these things. They just believe the doctor only. But we have to believe our children's ability to cure themselves. Again, it is liver. See, I connected. Stammering is H7. You can go for H7. It's mainly tampons because of the anxiety inside. Slowly. Okay. All those things are interconnected. You ask any question, it is a scientific system, it goes to the root.
Sir, regarding anything for growing height?
Yeah, for growing height, to grow, what is the best solution is the pituitary point. Pituitary is the one which controls all the glands. Master gland is pituitary. Center of this, for the child below for 10 years, you keep activating this. When they are growing, daily when you give, all these points are activated, especially for the child growth. I told, pituitary point. Daily activate, they will grow taller.
Sir, is there any?
Okay, try this.
How many times we have to do? Is there any ability even in that book?
Yeah, it is given in the book, but this is especially for the immune enhancement program. Daily once if you do. You touch your child for 10 minutes daily. That's all, so don't have to do anything else. You see the difference after 3 months. After 3 months, okay? Don't expect any results. No, I have done nothing has happened in 1 day, 2 days and all. 3rd month, you will see some change. This guy has not got cold. This guy has not got sneezing. Like that, you will see lot of results and you will ask for food. Say, mommy, give me a cup of milk. Which he would have never asked earlier. These subtle changes got us. Hyperactive is mainly connected with again liver and gallbladder. You can give gallbladder 41 reduction, GB41 reduction. GB41 is the point reduction if you give hyperactivity will come. So now with are you confident of the mothers who have attended this course for your children how to do that?